Yeah!
Hi there! Start by drawing 2 big round circles on the bottom half of your page, like this. Careful now! Don't make your circles too big. These big circles are the wheels that will take you places. Now, draw a small circle in the center of each wheel. These will keep your wheels going round and round. You're doing great! Now, let's draw the bottom of the car to keep the wheels in place. Draw a horizontal line between the 2 wheels, at the same height as the center of the wheels. Then, draw another straight line at the top of the wheels. Continue the line to the right side of this wheel and curve it down like this. Do the same on the other side. Continue the line to the left of the other wheel and curve it down, just like that. Is it just me? Or does your drawing look like glasses on a pair of eyes? Oh, we're not done yet. We need to add one more small detail, the bumper. Bumpers are protective bars on the front and back of cars that help keep them safe in case an accident happens. In order to make our bumper, let's first draw a small, rounded rectangular shape on the outside of our left wheel, on the bottom of the car. Now, do the same thing on the other side, next to the right wheel. Good job! Now, your car has bumpers. Your car has wheels, but you can't zoom off yet. We're going to give your car a body. Just like a shell, it keeps us safe as we drive around. Start on the left side of your car. Draw a line going up, about as long as the wheels are tall, and then curve it to the right. This will be the trunk of the car. Now, do the same thing on the right side of the car, but going towards the center a little bit more. And that will be the hood. Do you know what goes inside the hood? The engine! Now, we have our trunk and our hood, but we're missing our roof. Let's head back to the left side of the car. Near the trunk, move your pencil a little bit to the right of the trunk and draw a diagonal line up and to the right. Feel free to grab a ruler and make it a straight line. Then, do the same on the right side of the car. Starting at the hood, move your pencil a little to the left, then draw a diagonal line up and to the left. Now, add a straight line across the top to connect the 2 lines. That's the roof of the car. Well done! It's starting to look like a real car, right? Now, it's time to add some details for our drawing. We'll start with the windows. Draw 2 vertical lines in the middle of the car. Towards the top, leave a little space between the lines and the roof of the car. This will be the start of the 2 windows. Now, add 2 smaller horizontal lines at the top of each line you just made. They each look like an upside-down letter L, one pointing to the left and the other to the right. Yes! Just like that. But our windows are only halfway done. The next step is to add some diagonal lines that follow the shape of the car's roof. But keep in mind that these lines should only go until halfway down the car. That's because windows don't go all the way down to the bottom. They're only at the top of the car. See? They're starting to look like windows. Now, we need to finish the windows and connect all of the lines. So, let's add one more line at the bottom of each window, just like that. Making a door for your car is really easy. Find the center of your drawing. Then, draw a small, straight line below the windows. Remember, don't cross the bottom part. The line for the door should only be in the body of the car. See how easy that was? Now, you've got a car door. But we're still missing a handle. Right underneath the right window, let's draw a small rectangular shape. Perfect! Now, we can get in and out of our car. Now, we need to give our car some lights to help us see in the dark. On the left side, draw a small rectangle at the bottom where the body meets the bumper. That's your tail light. Add a small semicircle on the same spot but on the right. Now, your car has a headlight. That's such a nice ride. Wow! Your car drawing looks great! All we have to do now is add some color to really make it pop. You can get creative and use your favorite colors. Or you can try these ones. For our car, we will use yellow, black, gray, light blue, red, yellow. Use yellow to fill in the lines. If you don't have yellow, use orange instead. Black. Use the black crayon to color in the big circle in the wheel, this part of the bumper, and the door handle too. Gray. With your gray crayon, fill in the whole bumper, just like this. Use it to color in the small circles inside the wheels. Light blue. Light blue is the perfect shade for your car windows. You can color it more softly to make it lighter in some spots. Red. And now, grab your red crayon and use it to color the entire body of the car. All done! Your car looks perfect. And now, you're ready to roll!
Parents, your child did great. We'd love it if you'd share their artwork with us on social media for a chance to be featured on our channels. There's nothing better than seeing the art made by our Lingokids families around the world. Just tag us. See you next time. More songs, activities, and podcasts on our YouTube channel.